Hey YouTube, just thought I'd do some cold starts. I guess this time it'd be a cold start, wet start. Last night it rained all night long, so forgot to put all my lawnmowers away. So turn this on, open this up. This is my new propane lawnmower. Hit it myself. Kitties are gonna get chopped up if they don't move. Go away! Just scared them away. Watch. They're gonna jump. No, too much fuel. Not enough fuel. Stir it up until it's a little too rich, and then it'll she's off. She's sizzling. Some water in her. This is my Noma. It's made by Murray. It's Sentra. I have no idea what kind of engine this is. I don't know if it's a Sentra. Never heard of a Sentra. I am a small engines guy, and this thing has puzzled me because it kind of looks like a Tecumseh, but I've had a Briggs exactly the same model. So, very questionable. It's got a Briggs & Stratton pole. It's got more of a Tecumseh filter on it, but it's got more of a housing from a Briggs. So it points more to Briggs, and then at times it points more to Tecumseh. So I have no idea what the heck. On the flywheel it has a little Indian type of a guy on it, if that helps you at all. Cool. This is my, like I said before, this is my propane. That was my cold start for it. Probably the last one of the season, unless I feel like doing another one. See you later, YouTubers. Bye.